You've got mail.
Yes!
Yes. I'm gonna open this box so hard. Well, hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I got an unboxing for you, but this one's gonna be kind of different than usual. There's something that goes along with this that you guys need to know, and in case you want to get in on it, right? So this box is actually coming from Metal Complex. Don't think I'm cool, I just won a Patron giveaway of his. It's not like he's like, hey bro, you gotta check this out. Nah, I'm not that cool. I like Metal Complex, but you know, I don't know. Whatever, you know. I'm gonna go cry about my pride for a second, and then we will unbox this with my Kershaw Launch 10. Man, Kershaw, you freaking getting hung up. Don't cut towards yourself, Tyler. I don't cut in the camera anymore, so you guys can't see how dangerously I cut these boxes open sometimes. Alright, let's see here. Here, we have a box. It's another unboxing of a Kansept. This Kansept is the Kansept Prickle. It comes brand spanking new. I already told you what it was. That's not cool. Kind of in my own zone. Checking this out. Silica packets. Alright. I already told you what it was, but this is the perfectly centered Kansept Prickle. I've already unboxed one of these. I've already done a review. I don't even know if I got the review out yet, but I did a review on purpose because I wanted to give this away. I'm not unboxing a second Kansept Prickle and wasting your guys' time with that. Not what I'm doing. This is about the Patron giveaway. So when I won Metal Complex's Patron giveaway, which I kind of really didn't realize was happening. We see giveaways and we're like, all right, yeah, I'll just enter my name in. Well, I happened to win, which was super cool. I told him, I'm like, hey man, I actually have a Prickle that I'm giving away in my Patron, because in the month of April I am giving away a Kansept Prickle to my patrons. Do you mind if I do kind of a double giveaway and give this away so I can give away 2 Kansept Prickles, which is pretty cool, right? I mean, it's awesome to be able to give away 2, so there's 2 winners. And he's like, absolutely not. You do what you got to do. That's super cool that you're going to give that away. Yes, I don't mind whatsoever. Take it. Good luck. Have fun type of thing. So we are giving this bad boy away. The other one, let's see. So the other one is right here. So we have one in G10 and one in my Carta. I will be giving these away on my Patreon. If you guys don't know about my Patreon, this is more of a plug for my Patreon than an unboxing. If you guys don't know about my Patreon, you can join it. The link is in. I don't really have a link. I just kind of listed in the ending credits of most of my videos. You guys can see it. It's basically www.patreon.com/EEDC. Right? That's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Or it might be Everyday EDC. I don't know. Watch one of my old videos. It's in there. I'll post a link in the description below. But it's a minimum of 5. You can put up to like 30, but I don't want that. Eventually, I'm going to change it to where everybody's putting in the same amount, because I don't want you guys to have to pay more and get the same amount of chances to win. So the way this works is you give $5 once a month. Every 2 months, I'm going to give a knife away at 110% the value of 1 month's earnings through Patreon. Basically what I'm saying is I'm giving away something that's worth more than 1 month of earnings in Patreon. Now, where's that other 90% going, you might ask? That other 90% is going back to you guys in the form of sales. I've kind of gotten away from the sales lately, but I've been doing a lot of trading, trying to keep content for the channel flowing. Well, in doing so, I kind of got away from some of the sales. I don't want to sell you guys like some bushy stuff either. So the whole point is once I get back to the sales, which I'm going to be doing here shortly, I'm going to post some knives up there, and I sell those knives at a certain percentage off of what I paid for them based on the number of patrons. So the whole point of the Patron is basically a kind of a fun raffle, and you might get a chance at some of the knives I'm selling. Because if you guys know, go ask Jake from Ohio State. He makes fun of me all the time because I don't hold on to a knife for longer than 2 weeks. Not true. It's not true. I got some that stick around and that will stick around. But point here being is I do trade and sell a lot to try and keep content flowing. That's how I get stuff. I at least get one video a day out, and there's only one way to do that, and that's not going broke by doing this constant flipping thing. Anyways, go join the Patreon if you want a chance to win one of these. And that's really it. I should be doing the Patreon drawing. It is currently April 22nd. Hey, I should be doing the Patreon drawing. It is currently April 22nd. We'll do it on April 29th, which is a week from today. All right, so a week from today, guys, we are going to be doing a Patreon drawing for both of these knives. Currently, there's only 9 people in there, so if you were to join right now, you would be number 10, and you would have 1 in 5 chance of winning a Kansept Prickle. I think this thing's going for like $70, plus or minus. So for $5, you have a chance, 1 in 5 chance to win a $70 knife. That is all I got for you guys. This was more of a plug for the Patreon, but I think it's super cool that he was excited that I could actually give this away as opposed to just kind of keeping this, because I kind of felt bad. I'm like, dude, I'm giving away a freaking Prickle already. And he's like, no, man, don't worry about it. He's like, yeah, give it away. So, my name's Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking day. Thanks for watching. Yeah.